Welcome to classroom. 12th standard, 4th chapter, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. First, genetics. Genetics definition. Genetic is a branches of biology that deals with heredity and variation. The unit of heredity is known as gene. நீங்கள் 10th படிச்சிருப்பீங்க வேரியேஷன். A variation definition, variation with different types of character. Among the individual of different types of character is called variation, different types of animal. Three types of variation: intraspecific variation, interspecific variation, and intergeneric variation. Basic principles of variation between 10th standard brief படிச்சிருக்கீங்க. ஆனால் இங்கே படிக்க போகிறப்ப வேரியேஷன். வேரியேஷனில் ஜெனட்டிக் டிஸார்டர் and Mendelian disorder. The genetic disorder, Mendelian disorder, name the disease. In a disease form of the genetic is a branches of biology that it deals with study of heredity and variation. Next, basic types of variation. 10th, somatic variation and germinal variation. Soma means body cell. Body cell ஏற்படுகின்ற வேறுபடுத்தப்படுதல். Somatic cell is variation is called somatic variation. Second one, germinal variation. And the layers of form layers variation. Germ layer is called germinal variation. Next, the unit of heredity is also known as gene. Next, the gene is a inherited factors that determination is a biological characters of an organism. In this chapter நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது multiple alleles and human blood group ABO blood group, another one RH factor erythroblastocytosis. Third one, sex determination in man. Third one, in sex determination insect and birds. Next, genetic disorder. இதான் briefly இந்த லெசனை பார்க்க போகிறது genetic disorder and Mendelian disorder. What is genetic disorder? Or name the genetic disorder. Name the genetic disorder diseases: thalassemia, albinism, phenylketonuria, another one Hendengnoria. Next, Mendelian disorder, aneuploidy, another one euploidy chromosome number. What is genetic disorder? A genetic disorder is a disease or syndrome that is caused by abnormalities and individual DNA. Next, types of disease or types of disorder. Two types of disorder: Mendelian disorder, another one chromosomal disorder or chromosomal abnormalities. Briefly studied Mendelian disorder: thalassemia, albinism, phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia. First, briefly in thalassemia. Thalassemia is an autosomal recessive gene. Two types of autosomal gene. One autosomal recessive gene, another one allosomal recessive gene. Next, second point, it is caused by gene mutation. Mutation means sudden changes. ஒரு உயிரில் திடீரென ஏற்படும் மாற்றம். Mutation means திடீர் மாற்றம். Mutation means sudden changes in the changes in gene. Gene is called gene mutation. Then, as a result, restriction of RBC cells. RBC cell due to the formation of abnormal hemoglobin. RBC cell presence of HP means hemoglobin. Hemoglobin pigments are present into the cells RBC. Next, normal hemoglobin molecules composes of 4 polypeptide chain and 2 alpha cell and 2 beta cell. Next, alpha and beta thalassemia. By classification, name the types of thalassemia. Two types of thalassemia: alpha thalassemia, another one beta thalassemia. Next, the alpha thalassemia is controlled by two genes, HPA1 or HPA2. Hemoglobin abnormal gene HBA1, HBA2. Next, controlled by two genes, mutation or deletions or more of the alpha gene alleles, alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia in the globulin molecules. It is commonly known Cooley syndrome. It's common Cooley syndrome in thalassemia. Next disease, phenylketonuria. It is an inborn error of phenylalanine metabolism caused due to the pairs of autosomal recessive gene. Phenylalanine metabolism means வளர்சிதை மாற்றம். phenylalanine வளர்சிதை மாற்றத்தின் மூலமாக உண்டாக்கப்படுகின்ற disease phenylketonuria. It is caused due to the mutation to the gene PAH. PAH means phenylalanine hydrolysis gene. It is caused due to the mutation in the gene PAH, phenylalanine hydrolysis. Next, this name the enzyme hydrolysis, last letter SE, enzyme. This enzyme is essential for conversion of phenylalanine tyrosine. Next, last one, phenylalanine converted into phenylalanine hydrolysis tyrosine. This topic, Mendelian disorder, thalassemia, albinism, sickle cell anemia. Next, chromosomal abnormalities or chromosomal disorder. 4 diseases, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome and Patu syndrome. This syndrome too, autosomal, another one, allosomal abnormalities. Autosomal aneuploidy in human beings. Total chromosome number 46. 46 chromosome is called autosomal aneuploidy, Down syndrome and Patu syndrome. 23 pairs trisomy. 23 pairs means 46 chromosome. Second one, allosomal abnormalities, 46 chromosome. Klinefelter syndrome, another one, Turner syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome means addition copy of X chromosome. Total 46 chromosome, XY, 44 AA means allosomal abnormalities. First 44, XY, 1, 2, 3, 44 plus 3, 47. Definition addition, one chromosome சேர்க்கிறாங்க. Additions of copy is called Klinefelter syndrome. அப்ப one chromosome அதிகரிக்குது, 47. Second, XO or Turner syndrome, loss of X chromosome. ஒரு குரோமோசோம் இழக்கப்படுதல். 44 AA plus இங்க பாருங்க XY, 3 chromosome, only X. 44 AA plus X, 44 plus 1, 45 chromosome number.